Essential philosophy. The educational program of Essential School gives primary emphasis to the character development and spiritual foundation of each child. It is designed to affect the harmonious development of social, physical, intellectual, creative, emotional, and spiritual well-being of each student. It considers the students as children of God, and the teachers are instruments of God. Thus, it recognizes the necessity of providing opportunity and proper education atmosphere from the children may grow in all aspects of personality. Essential Vision. LWCI envision our student as God-centered, responsible young citizen, expensive, creative, and critical thinkers motivated by the desire to learn and excel in our participation and service to their families, school, and community. Essential Mission. LWECI is intended to achieve excellence in preparing the student for lifetime learning by equipping them with practical, cognitive, and communication skills motivated by Christian values. Essential core values. E. Expressive. S. Service. S. Sportsmanship. E. Environment friendly. N. Nutrition emphasis. T. Technological advancement. I. International linkage. A. Academic excellence. L. Loyalty.